Hi and welcome to a new mixed media tutorial. Today I have a jelly printed tag for you and I used some Inka Gold to add some stenciling. I start by creating the background with a small jelly plate and acrylic paint. I'm using Neocolor crayons and dip them into water and draw some circles onto the jelly plate. I use a doily stencil together with Inka Gold and add some texture. This will also work perfectly with Nuvo Mousse. The flower stamp and die is from Stamplorations. I mounted my tag to a black tag that was a little bit bigger. I'm gluing down my main image. I also cut some leaves from glitter paper and a stem for my flower. Here is my finished tag. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!